Welcome to PartsHnC. Today we're breaking down how much an oil furnace costs. Basic models start around $3,200, while high-efficiency units can reach up to $9,100 and help save on energy bills. For an average 1,500 square feet home needing about 80,000 BTUs, expect to pay between $4,400 and $5,400. Larger homes require bigger furnaces, costing $7,100 to $9,200. Installation adds costs like permits, duct sealing, and thermostats, plus regional labor differences. To save money, try installing in fall or spring, compare multiple quotes, and consider high-efficiency models for possible tax credits. Need replacement parts? Visit PartsHnC for top brand oil furnace replacement parts. Thanks for watching.